It's raining outside, so we're gonna bring you in. Come on in, come on, come on. This is MTV Crib style, come on.
Let's go.
This lighting is probably awful because it is rainy outside, it is 9 a.m. But welcome to our empty house tour where you get to see the honey house mostly empty, mostly because
it started raining a couple blocks ago.
Yeah.
I was excited.
We got some TVs, some rugs, a little bit of some table action, but without further ado, make sure to subscribe, and here is the empty house tour. All right, let's kick her off.
So this is what we call the front room. There's probably a better name for it.
The den?
Den, sure. So this is where you walk into. We mapped out this room before we were able to come in here for the first time. And so we know where we're gonna put everything.
We have plans.
We have plans to the square foot. So we already have what we want to do here. We're gonna put our green couch here, and then we bought some armchairs.
Yes, they're amazing. Vintage, real vintage.
They're really pretty. We're gonna put them here and here. I don't know what we're doing with the pink couch.
This amazing hardwood is beautiful. It's like, we hate light wood. Like, I'm so sorry if that's your style, but this is just so beautiful, this really dark wood.
That's one of the things that we hated about the house that we
have gray, yeah, grayish white, and these are just so beautiful. Like, we have mostly dark wood stuff like this, so it's gonna look so pretty. And these windows, obviously it's literally dark outside, I don't know if you can tell, but that's why it's so dark, it's echoey. But this is our
I'm excited for this big window here.
It's gonna be amazing.
Look out the world.
If you've been following along, I've had a lot of like postpartum depression and anxiety struggles. And one thing that I said is I can't wait for the first like rainy day in our new house. And it's just kind of like crazy because this is my first time being in this house without the realtor.
Yeah.
So it's just kind of like, it just makes me feel so good. And I've had like a lot of anxiety building up to this, and it feels so good to like look out the window and see my new neighborhood.
This is it.
But this is our front room. On to the next one.
We're gonna be passing harbor back and forth throughout this whole video, just so you know.
Our kitchen and our dining room kind of like are connected, which I like because I don't love like an open style. I kind of like it to feel a little closed off. So we're gonna have a nice bigger table than we have now because we only have a bistro table. So I need to buy a new table. The one thing that I don't like that I do want to renovate is these floors. I do not like this tile wood situation. This is going to be a really pretty tile eventually, maybe something like 50s inspired since we live in a 1950s home now. And
I like the checkerboard tile.
Yes, that'll be so pretty.
Cool.
We have not gotten our fridge. Our fridge comes the day after we move, so in 2 days. We officially move in tomorrow. But this is our kitchen. We got nice white cabinets, which are probably going to be painted. If you know us, they're probably going to be painted green. We got some beautiful black granite. I love this stove. I love a small kitchen. Like when we went in here with the realtor, I think he mentioned like, oh, this is a small kitchen. I'm like, I love small kitchens. Like, give me the small kitchens. They're so cozy and just like, I don't know, I don't need a huge kitchen, you know? I love that I can look out while I'm doing the dishes. The one time that I do dishes a month, because sometimes I do dishes. Most of the time I don't do dishes, right? Mommy does dishes, but I'm excited to look out and see everything. And this sink is huge. Harvard can literally fit in here.
You want to take a tubby?
That's actually perfect. He can't fall over. Yay! It's supposed to be his nap time in like 20 minutes, so we're like trying to kind of hurry, and he's a little grumpy.
So coming out of the kitchen, we go into our little mudroom area.
Yeah, we put like the dog leashes here, shoes.
Yes.
I've never had a spot like this. And you go into the brick. Show them the brick. It looks really pretty.
This is where our brick begins. I'm a little upset that they painted it white. Maybe we'll try and get the white paint off.
We've talked about what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and either strip the paint, re-brick it, if that's a thing. I don't know how expensive that would be, but we'll try.
And then you continue onward into a barn door, which we don't like.
Oh, whoa, this is how, can you tell how dark it is now? Wait, oh, there we go. Oh, this is my favorite part of the house. Yay!
Our new living room. Do you guys remember how tiny our old living room was? We could barely fit in it.
You could fit like one armchair. Again, with the brick and this little seating area and the brick on the fireplace. Obviously all the like curtains are gonna be replaced. I think the sellers just left those here. I'm not sure why. Yeah. But like the lighting fixtures are gonna be replaced. These windows that look into the backyard, are you kidding? This view is, oh, the rain. Oh my gosh, baby, I'm so happy.
So excited.
This could potentially be our forever home. Like we could live here.
We could live here forever. There's nothing stopping us.
I'm so happy.
I love you. I feel like these windows were really the selling point for Abbie.
Yeah, they're amazing.
Sit right here. We know the dogs are gonna love to sit here and just look into the backyard.
Can put some plants, little like
Yeah, lots of
I don't
plants
know,
around here.
seating things.
Some pillows, make it real cozy.
Oh, and the couch we bought for this area is going to be amazing. It's a dupe for the Restoration Cloud couch because, you know, your girl's not going to be spending money on the real deal. So we did find a dupe and I hope it's amazing. It looks amazing. It'll look so good in here.
At some point we want to get new carpet or...
Yeah, this will be
or
hardwood
something.
probably. We did have carpet cleaners come through though, so it's nice and clean for us. Are you so excited? Yay! And this window looks onto the garden, which is nice.
Yeah. I like how there's so much built-in seating, like right
Yeah.
here too. We can make this into a...
We can like totally have parties with like the friends we don't have, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That'll be amazing.
Maybe we can make some friends now that we live in a place where they could fit.
Oh wow, okay, comment down below if you want to be our friend. Trying to figure out all the light switch. The barn doors will probably be replaced. Barn doors, gosh, I cannot talk.
Doink, doink.
Doink, doink, doink. Barn doors are not my style. I'll probably leave it for a while just because it's going to be convenient. But I probably will replace these for like maybe French doors or something. I'm not really sure. This goes into Harbor's room. Do you want to give them the tour?
This is like probably more of a temporary room for Harbor.
Yeah.
Just while he's still young and waking up in the night. Because, you know, as you can see, it doesn't have like windows or anything. So it's meant to be just an office.
It's a
but
decent
right by
size.
ours, so that's
Yeah, our
why we
bedroom's
like
down
it.
the hall right here, so it'd just be nice. Obviously, he's only going to be in here for like maybe another 6 months, and then when we have another baby, the new baby will be in here.
Because the other bedrooms are downstairs. So we want him to be close to us right now while
Yes.
he's...
But it's a really decent size. It's
Yeah.
like the size of his room now. He's got a nice little closet.
Yeah.
There's another door. This door is really weird. I don't know what's going on here. It's like glass.
It's glass, but then they put this here. I think they were using it as a nursery.
Yeah,
as
I think
well.
they had it as a nursery or something, but we'll probably replace this so that we don't have to have like a weird sheet. I'm not really sure. We'll figure that out later.
We'll figure it out.
This, I don't know if you guys can understand the layout. This connects to like the kitchen and the front room area.
Front room, kitchen, here's a
It's all
hallway.
kind of a U-shape. We've got
Yeah.
another closet. This is our bathroom up here. Bathroom. It's got the cute subway tile, you know, bathroom.
Abbie has always wanted a bathroom that has a window in it, and when we first went through this place, they had a shower curtain up, so we thought it actually didn't have a window because we didn't see it there. And then when we came through, we were like, oh my gosh, there's a window, so it's pretty exciting.
We have these like built-in cabinets, which I love too. I might replace like the hardware on things like that, but I think they're cute. Good for storage. This is Mommy's room. Why are the windows open? You left the windows open all night?
Shoot.
Way to go, babe.
The carpet cleaners came yesterday and they opened all the windows, and I thought I closed all of the windows, but apparently I forgot these ones.
Glad nothing got stolen. These, I have no idea what these are. I don't know why these people had them up. They're for the closet. I
Instead of
guess.
closet doors.
We're definitely gonna put closet doors here. That's like one of the like first priorities, I guess, that I want to do. And we have this really pretty like, what is this called?
I don't know.
The only word that I know is shiplap, but I don't think it's shiplap.
Ask Joanna Gaines, she'll know.
Can someone DM Joanna Gaines on Instagram and ask her?
Just
what
take a
this-
screenshot right now and then DM her and ask.
Please message Abbie because she doesn't know anything and she's kind of stupid and we need help. Should we go to the basement?
To the basement.
I'm out of breath from coming down the stairs. Probably looks really crazy lighting down here. I'm not sure what we're gonna do down here because we don't need the space down here because we have the bathroom upstairs, we have Harbor where he's gonna stay. So this is probably gonna be just like gym and office space. We have 3 bedrooms down here and a bathroom. The bathroom down here looks basically the same as our bathroom upstairs, just smaller. Lovely, where you can pee and do your business.
Again, the subway tile, it's a little bathroom.
Yeah.
That's it.
Little bathroom. We have like a little laundry room you don't really want to see in like the cold storage. It's kind of, you know. All right, into the Harry Potter room.
This one will probably end up being Harbor's room, I would think, at some point.
Yeah.
Once he graduates from upstairs. We're gonna need to replace all these light bulbs. like we
Yeah,
did in the
these
other
are like
house.
awful
As you can
orange.
see, the lighting looks very different in this house, and it does have something to do with outside, but it also is because we have replaced all the light bulbs in our old house so that they're better for filming, so we will do that again here. But so the reason we call this the Harry Potter room is because it has little cupboard under the stairs
Yes.
area, and then there's this closet in here too. Closet space. It's an old house. What do you want?
Yep.
It's kind of cool. It's funky. I like little, like interesting little things
Yeah.
like this, you know?
We also have these like little built-ins down here. I don't know what we'll do with that. This was a guest room when we toured the house, I think. So this will either be Julia's gym or guest room. I don't think she's really figured out what you want to do, right?
Originally, I thought I wanted to do the gym just in this living space, but now I think I want to do it in there because it's about the same size anyway.
Yeah, you're right.
Might as well.
I guess we'll figure it out. We might buy a shed for the backyard eventually. We don't really know. This is the smallest room. This is a really, really small room. And this is just gonna be our office. It's not like I use the office anyway. I edit in bed. All right, that's the basement.
I like how the ceilings in here are wood.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that. Oh, I wish it wasn't so dark so that you guys could like fully see it, but that is the honey house. Do you want to show them the plaque? I just realized we forgot to do it in the beginning.
We were supposed to do this dramatic thing.
Oh,
We forgot our drum.
done.
So we thought it would be fun and very dramatic to create a plaque in honor of the honey house.
There it is.
The honey house established 2021.
Yay!
Very cool. Thank you so much to all of you guys for following along.
Yes, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Yay!
I love you.
We did it. We made it. We've talked about this moment
I know.
for so long. Ever since we've been together. We did it.
There's so much we have left to do, so don't think that it's gonna stay this way.
Yeah, we have so much.
We have
This is
so
like
many
not
more.
a fixer-upper, but
But there's lots of like aesthetic things
Yeah.
that we're excited to
Yeah.
to work on and to change.
we're very excited. But thank you so much for following along. If you want to see a furnished house tour, because we bought a lot of furniture secretly that's been hiding in our garage, so stay tuned and subscribe. So follow us on Instagram. Kisses. Bye, guys. I think Julia's looking for hardwood under here.
Well, I thought maybe there was because in the closet there's hardwood.
Your mom's crazy. Are you ready to go have a nap?
Doesn't look
Can you
like
crawl? Are you gonna crawl for the first time in your new house?
it. He's been doing this thing where he takes one hand motion and then falls.
Yeah. He's getting the hang of it.
He's trying so hard. He gets to squeaky floors.
Yeah.